Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Jojo.
And
Wait.
Shruti. Yo.
So, Karma's album,
Hmm.
MIP.
Yes.
We're about to finish it.
Yes.
But he decided to drop a video after we just reacted to that song. I know.
Oh. Yeah.
Timing
Okay.
are not
Price tag.
happening. Price tag we reacted to, and then I think a day or two later he dropped the video. So I was like, "Ye do din pehle kyun yeah." Now we can't finish the album till we don't watch the video. So let's watch the video
No, we can.
since we just
Okay.
heard the track, and then we
Yeah.
will listen to the last track, Kala Bazaar, and then wrap up.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah,
Sounds
let's
good.
do it. Chalo.
Ready.
Okay,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, play.
Yo,
Yo.
check. दीप कलसी के संगीत पे कर्मा तेरा दून का मेरा खून यो हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते ये है रखते अपने पास और जब स्किल्स की हो बात ये बस आंखों से छूते हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते हम भी रखते अपने पास और ना करते इनसे बात ये बस लातों के भूत है एक्सक्यूज मी कपड़ों से ज्यादा बार्स प्राइस्ड आउट सब कुछ महंगा तब भी हम्बल नियत नाइस थी मैं भी बन के रहता इतना ज्यादा आइस्ड आउट खाली चाय भी पीऊं तो fucking nice नंबर 3 -2 मैं बूथ में घूट स्पीकर ट्रूथ स्पीकर इन द बूथ यूट्यूब पे न्यू बीट पर बजूका छूटे कर महसूस थ्रू द स्पीकर तू कूल एज आइस ब्लू बट डूड बी ट्रू हीटर अटूट वजूद लेकर जब टूटता थूकने पर मैं थूकता पीस मेकर परस्यू द न्यू टीचर अब क्यों तुम मुफ्ती के टप क्यों तुम घुटने पे जाऊं शूट पे फूकते हुए माय व्यूज दे रिप्रोड्यूस बिच बाउ डाउन टू पेनमैनशिप तेरा भला है मान बात लेजेंडरी feels like Madari Mir Fan Saab यह है example of making it बिना beef के if I'm not taking your name एहसान मान ले ले हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते ये है रखते अपने पास और जब स्किल्स की हो बात ये बस आंखों से छूते हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते हम भी रखते अपने पास और ना करते इनसे बात ये बस लातों के भूत हैं I see too many losers acting like winners ये क्यों बने खुदा जब हैं सारे sinners I'm the gene genius and the gene greatness तेरे jeans में नहीं G you're a gene fakeness well done आ गए हर दाम वाले रैपर्स ये कपल शोज ये इंस्टाग्राम वाले रैपर्स ये करते कपल शोज फिर अनजान वाले रैपर्स सुबह वायरल से फ्लॉप वाली शाम वाले रैपर्स आई कैन डिस्ट्रॉय यू यू नो मैं आइकॉनिक हूँ तुम्हें मैं मिला पहली बार मुझे आया क्यों नहीं क्लू कि तुम हो टॉक्सिक और फेलियर बस हाइप वाली भूख टीवी पे ऊंची शिटी खबरें हाई पार्टी न्यूज एंड दिस इज मी दिस इज कर्मा दिस इज व्हाट यू कॉल अ नाइस रैप रियलाइज दैट सक्सेस का ऊंचा प्राइस है इजी मिलेगी सरप्राइज देके गायब है इट्स लाइक अ बिच यू हैव गॉट टू पे द प्राइस टैग हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते ये है रखते अपने पास और जब स्किल्स की हो बात ये बस आंखों से छूते हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते हम भी रखते अपने पास और ना करते इनसे बात ये बस लातों के भूत हैं हजारों के कपड़े लाखों के जूते ये है रखते अपने पास और जब स्किल्स की हो बात ये बस आंखों से छूते
Okay.
Quite thanda, I must say. Huh?
I mean, the song is a slow song. So
I thought that's why the video to combat that would be like in one, opposite zone so that वो थोड़ा balance हो जाएगा.
it slowed
That's
it
what
down
I
more.
mean.
I felt no
Yeah.
just
Yeah.
but Okay,
But
ठीक
that's
है.
not dampening my spirits for the
The
next
last
song.
track,
Like,
I know.
I'm fully
I'm
ready.
just confused about one thing, about why
Yeah.
he chose this song to make a video for.
I don't know. That's a good question.
और भी गाने हैं. Let's see how Kala Bazaar is.
Let's see. Yes, yes.
Okay, are you ready?
Ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, play.
झूठे ये गाने बना रहे हैं, झूठे ये गाने बना रहे हैं, सारे के सारे गद्दार हैं, सारे के सारे गद्दार हैं। गानों का काला बाजार है, गानों का काला बाजार है। तभी हम बने व्यापारी, तभी ये बना व्यापार है, तभी ये घंटा कमा रहे, तभी हम अंधा कमा रहे, क्योंकि कंधों पे दारोमदार है। सोच से ये बंदे बीमार है, सभी बस कहने के स्टार है। हेटर्स की लंबी कतार है, फूल्स की फोटो पे फूल का हार है। गानों से धूल चटा रहे, गानों में बनते खुखार है, असली में चढ़ा बुखार है। झगड़े में बंदे बुला रहे, झगड़े में कड़ा उतारे, हम सर पे दे मारे, पर इनसे लड़ना बेकार है। ये बंदे गवा रहे और बंदे गवा रहे, ये बिन पढ़े लिख रहे और गा रहे, झूठे ये गाने बना रहे, झूठे ये गाने बना रहे, सारे के सारे गद्दार हैं, सारे के सारे गद्दार हैं। गानों का काला बाजार है, गानों का काला बाजार है, तभी हम बने व्यापारी, तभी ये बना व्यापार है। मेरे अपने मुझसे रूठे जलने लगे, पता चला कि अपने नहीं थे वो मेरे, में यूज करके सबको आगे बढ़ूं, वैसे वाले भी सपने नहीं थे वो मेरे, पर साथ नहीं थे वो मेरे, जब रातों की जॉब में शामिल मैं। दोस्ती की थी मुझसे क्योंकि पता था निकलूंगा काबिल मैं, बोले कि तूने बड़ा किया खुद भी बड़ा हो, फिर बड़ी बड़ी वाली बातें करेंगे। तू मेरी दो सुनना, मैं तेरी सुनूंगा, जो कभी ना पूरे वो वादे करेंगे। तू फैक्ट्स पे बात कर वरना आगे बढ़, तू बोले कि मुझको बड़ा किया दूसरा पकड़, और अब उसको बड़ा कर चल आगे बढ़। बंदे रह गए कम, आके छोकरों ने जगा ली, बातें करते ऐसे जैसे गेम पूरी संभाली, पर गानों से लगता के गाड़ी जैसे तैसे चला ली। रैपर्स रह गए कम, आके छोकरों ने जगा ली। झूठे ये गाने बना रहे, झूठे ये गाने बना रहे, सारे के सारे गद्दार हैं, सारे के सारे गद्दार हैं। गानों का काला बाजार है, गानों का काला बाजार है, तभी हम बने व्यापारी, तभी ये बना व्यापार है। डीप कल्चर के संगीत पे कर्मा, तेरा दून का मेरा खून।
इस पे वीडियो बनाते, इस पे
I was just about to say that. Yes. इस पे वीडियो बनाना चाहिए था.
What a track, I loved
हो
it.
सकता बने. Yeah. And listen, I'm feeling very like, किसने धोखा दिया है? किसने इतना बुरी तरह धोखा दिया? I was emotionally invested in this song. Like the moment it started, I was like, अरे यार, वापस यही बात करने वाले हैं क्या कि सारे गद्दार हैं, ये है, वो है. But third line onwards, I was in. I was like, हाँ, सब गद्दार हैं, सब गलत हैं. So
he made me laugh. He made me laugh a couple of times. So he said, "Joker, फूल के फोटो में फूल का whatever सा त्योहार है." It's just really funny. Okay.
But like, listen, that pain in his voice and that betrayal, it was coming across very strongly. And there was this one thing. There was panning to ho hi rahi thi, but there was this few things. There were three voices he was using.
Yeah.
One was the whisper voice, one was the really close to the mic voice, and one was his very like, I don't care about this world and jaane do sabko. So these are the three tonalities.
That lazy voice.
Correct. So there were these three tonalities which he was using, constantly playing between them. It was fantastic because it wasn't pitches, it wasn't different flows. I mean, flow to naturally badal hi rahi thi because, you know, the demeanor was changing. But this is a very new thing. It's interesting because normally, like, you know, you don't get to hear that. And that, it was very nice.
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा गाना था यार ये, बहुत इसमें feel थी.
Feel bhi thi and just vibe bhi thi, and like the flow was nice, the lines were nice, like it just, I like the rhyme schemes in it because it was just, you know, I was really vibing to the music and feeling the lyrics. So
you know, the days when I'm going to feel completely like ye puri duniya ka taar hai, like I don't want to see anyone's face, this is going to be the song I'm going to wake up listening to. Like I'll just get up in the morning, listen to this song.
I hope you don't have those days, but okay. why you
अगर हुए
want
तो गाना
Gaddar?
तैयार है.
Okay.
हाँ.
No, but
No,
like
sometimes दुनिया गद्दार है. That's the emotion you wake up with. Like, दुनिया doesn't have to have done anything. It's just you.
you wake up and
So,
choose
yeah.
disappointment.
Choose to exactly. That's the song. Yeah.
No, I hopefully I will not go to the song for that. I like the vibe. And like you said, he had the disappointment and pain was coming across in his voice. So and the sad part is he's so young. So I feel sad that it kind of happens at that age also, where what happens is when you're younger or in your college years or early 20s and you have this set of friends, and then as you those are the decade and the years that you kind of take your own paths in life, right? And you kind of diverge, your roots diverge from each other. And then you realize who are the real ones and who are not, depending on where you go and how much success you get. And then the reactions that come from those people who you thought were your people. So the 20s, late 20s, 30s, whatever. I mean, I feel like they're all periods of big realizations. So
life is a big realization.
That's life. It's all good. It's all good. The real ones will always stay. So I feel like I really now, since we've done it in this order, and I feel like we watched Price Tag ka video, I'm like wondering, why didn't he do this? Is song ka video would have been so nice. Maybe it'll come. I don't know. I don't think he's done with all the videos of the album. We don't know. Nothing has been announced as far as I know. But yeah, let's just quickly wrap up on the album. What are your final thoughts on like?
First, I'll need to recall.
I'm telling you, there's I See You intro tha. There was Beat Though, which
Beat Though was really nice.
Yeah, we love that. Yeah. Fate was really nice as well.
Yeah.
Fate, Price Tag, Fearless featuring Ikka. I remember loving Ikka's verse on that one. No Snakes featuring. See, the thing is, a lot of these songs had that. And the thing is, he's writing about his experience so far in his journey, in his life journey. So I think a lot of those realizations are that are prominent in this album are what he's seen of the industry after he's officially sort of entered it, after being signed and all of that. So I think that's coming across quite a bit. And people also kind of say that he's like one of the few who's never really had a beef with people. However, shots do get taken at him and
he's
from
just
him.
Absorbed all of it. Yeah. When people give you hate, but you don't respond back, but it does have an impact and effect on you. And I think then these are the kind of songs that come out.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's why the result is tracks like this, where he's like, but I feel like he seems to be in a place where he was surprised at the fakeness he saw, because he's probably one of those guys who just thought everyone's as real as him. Like that's how the world is, because I know I've been there. Like, you take people at face value because that's how you are. And then you realize that there's a lot of underlying stuff going on behind masks. Yeah. So I feel like that is the place that he's probably at or been at in recent times while writing this album. So a lot of that is coming out in this. And
I think he's almost, with this track, it seems like he's almost at the brink of that point when you begin to stop caring. Yeah. When you say you don't care, but actually you
just
care.
Coming to that.
But then slowly you actually go into the zone when you truly don't care. And that's when, but yet you don't lose yourself in it. You don't become a hateful person, but you just kind of just, where it becomes a humorous thing to you, because because this is Kala is the second last. The last track is Believe, which he released first, the one featuring Raftaar, which I also read in one of the recent interviews he gave to a newspaper or something. He said that that's his most favorite, like, special song to him from the album, which is understandable because of its theme and what he said in it, and because it features Raftaar. But then otherwise, if we don't count that, Kala Bazaar is the last song, and then that humor angle is coming in that very nicely, where he's like, he's like, they're fools. Ye Joker hai. Like that Joker line really cracked me up. So I think, and also that line where he said, no, this Kala Bazaar line, that ye dhanda hai, tabhi to hum dhanda kar rahe hain. Ye Kala Bazaar hai, that's why hum vyapari hain. So it is very coming to terms with what the situation is, accepting it. And now, I think next, whatever, once he's healed and comes back to it. Because like from this, the hurt that I'm gathering, like, or maybe mere dimag mein overthinking ho rahi hai, but still, like, the hurt that I'm feeling while listening to the song, I think next time when he comes around and when he's grown over that, I think he's going to be like, fire.
Yeah. I mean, this is that transition phase, I feel. Then I think in the next sort of work works of art that he puts out there, it'll be more like, it'll be full like grown man energy, you know? It'll be the realizations have dawned, and now I'm like saying whatever I want to say.
Yes.
But having said all that, also want to talk about the features on the album. I loved Encore. Like that was like, I feel like that's probably my favorite. I can't say that because I really liked.
Very good, yeah.
It was so good.
The third track that you mentioned, which we totally both of us had flipped out on.
Third track was Fate, na? Beat Though.
No,
Beat Though. So
it's very tough.
I think, okay, I'm just looking at the list. I think my favorites were Beat Though. I liked Fate as well. We loved Zaruri Nahi. That was one of the best on the album. Legacy versus Clout as well. Encore, like also. They killed it. I liked Kala Bazaar. I liked Believe. And I think IC was also nice. So these are I think my least favorite, if I had to say, would have to be Gangster. Just because I was like, I think I said it in the reaction. I'm going to repeat myself. It was just funny.
Yeah. But definitely, like, this album has its moments. It has these 3-4 tracks which are fully like, you can't get them out of your head. Wo wala feel hai.
Yeah, I'm just trying to count the number of tracks. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13 tracks. 13 tracks are there. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, okay. 13 tracks. There are no skits also. They're proper full 13 tracks. And the features are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 features. So 7 out of 13. Majority features, 6 solo tracks. So, you know, I feel like maybe the track list is so long because of the features. You know, there were just talks for these features on, and they all had to be there, and then you kind of have to match that with your own solo numbers as well. I feel like an album could have been 9 to 10 tracks and it would have been enough, because, you know, the theme in like 3-4 of them is kind of similar. So anyway, that it is what it is. The features had to be there, and we don't know what the behind the scenes thing is. I think as a first album, it's brilliant. You know, it's his first album. So a lot of real stuff, a lot of interesting variations in the sound, and, you know, just the vibes. There are different vibes on the album, and a lot of heartfelt stuff as well. So I think as far as a milestone in the artist's journey is concerned, this speaks volumes for where he is right now and where he's been. So I think that's
I think you've summed it up very nicely. Yes.
Yeah, that's my last thoughts on it. But tell us what your favorite track on the album was. Would love to know. And if you agree with us that Kala Bazaar deserves a video, tell us that. But check out Bhola's website. She has some new audio shows and books and awesome stuff there. It's linked below. Check it out. And do help support this channel. It would mean a lot. And just take care of yourselves. Live long and prosper.